I got just a little project I'm working on today. I have a creeper that's also a shop stool. It converts. Had it for about 30 years. And I'm finally getting around to replacing the casters on it. So let me flip the camera. These are the new casters. I think they're 2.5 inch. You can see I took one of the old ones off. So I didn't measure these before I ordered them, but looks like they will fit. And if you hear this, you'll kind of know why I'm changing them. So let me get to it. I am having to just go up one size on the hole. And because the shank on these are longer, I should have got them at 3/4 of an inch instead of 1 inch. I'm just putting a flat washer on the top and on the bottom. Interesting is that this shop stool / creeper, most have 6 wheels. This one actually has 7. You can see there's 5 on the bottom and 2 up here. So these caster kits only come in 6s and 12s. So I ended up ordering a pack of 12. So I'll have some extras for something else. Well, let me get this done and I'll show it to you when it's finished. Well, this is much better. The old creeper will live on. Rolls very well. No more squeaking. Let me put it in the upright position. Major difference. She rolls very, very easily now. Again, I'll leave a link to these casters in the video description. As you can see, I had to use some washers because I bought the 1 inch shank. And really, since this barrel nut goes inside, a 1/2 inch or 3/4. 3/4 would have been ideal. So thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. And I'll see you on the next video.